We're tweaking up the Expo for George here, and something that he's familiar with or something a little more comfortable with, but everything looks pretty good so far. This is going to be the ticket. That looks a lot better than the first time at 10%, so you feel okay?
Yeah.
And you can add Expo into your rudder as well, if the rudder feels a little too touchy. I know sometimes on some of my models I might fly 10%, sometimes 5, but usually I'm flying 0 on the rudder. But that's a personal preference. Looks good, man. That's a better hover than I had.
Baby steps.
Yeah. I didn't see any thump